Oh, it's gonna be like really loud for them to like hear the. Are you sure you don't want to unpackage them first? What the fuck? Where did you have them? Sitting by the sun?
Hey guys, Grynch.
Are you recording already?
Yeah, it's been recording.
Fuck.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
You're supposed to say Grynch and I would say Onyx.
We used to do it where you said it all. I would just say, hey guys. And...
Hey guys! Grynch and Onyx here. Alright.
Alright guys. Hey guys.
Hi guys.
How many times?
Okay.
Hey guys.
Grynch and Onyx here.
What are we doing today, babe? What are we doing today?
Oh, I never noticed there was a baby one and a big one. We're trying out Mexican candy.
Well, I'm trying them out. You're just here for moral support. These are candies that my wife grew up eating, so yeah. We're going to give this a go. I keep looking at the screen. This is an awkward setup that we have here. But if you guys enjoy these type of videos, let us know. These are fun. We're going to go ahead and dive in and try some Mexican candies. And I'm also going to try to pronounce them and butcher them. And my wife's family can make fun of me for that. So, let's see. What do we got? Salsa-getti. Well, I mean, that one's pretty easy.
Well, these are actually, because we bought them here in the U.S., these are actually called escuincles.
Escuincles? Mm-hmm. Fuck you. Okay. We're opening up this bad boy. ASMR. Would you like to see ASMR videos? Click like if you would.
Click a like. Click a like.
If this video gets 30 likes, I'll do an ASMR video. That's completely a parody. Yeah.
So what you're supposed to do is they have that little salsa deal in there. You're supposed to sprinkle it. I used to not.
Okay, this is what we eat, boys and girls.
If you don't want to.
We're gonna sprinkle. Oh wow, that's bright. Okay.
Be a beauty guru. Put your hand behind it.
It's too bright.
It's worse. It's worse.
I get it just right. Come on.
It's called gusano.
There you go.
That actually is you see that little squirt bottle? That actually is candy as well. It's a squirt of salsa.
I thought I've seen those. It looks like an accordion or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what that is in there.
Okay. This is awkward. This is going to be one of the worst videos I've ever done. As far as the way that we did this. But I'm just going to lean here, do a sexy pose, and we're going to eat some Mexican candy.
So the theme on most of the candies are spicy. It's not really candy. It's candy because some are sweet and spicy, but most of them are spicy.
I already got some of this stuff and I didn't like it.
Yeah, that one's a little... You gotta acquire a taste for it.
Okay, let's just get into this. Let's get into this.
My mouth is watering over here.
Oh, well. You can water all at once.
Are you gonna get that much? You gotta take it slow, man.
This is... Okay, I'm a 6'2" man. I'm not small, and I got a pretty good portion here. So let's go ahead.
Oh my god, you're so messy.
And lather this baby. Ooh, this does not look good. It's very brown. It's very brown. Okay.
Stop. Stop.
It's not good.
What does it taste like? It should taste like strawberry and like spicy, like.
We should have got a trash can.
Are you for real?
Yeah. It's not good.
Just swallow it. Drink some water.
I still got a bunch. I don't want to chew it. That's the problem.
What?
My eyes are watering. Why have you done this?
These are the good ones. What are you talking?
Okay, that's what that sauce looks like. Okay, guys, it doesn't look good.
Was it the sauce that you didn't like, or
probably?
Yeah, I used to not use the sauce at all.
And now the stuff stuck between my teeth.
Okay, next is. Do you want sweet next? Here, we'll do these. These aren't just Mexican.
Let me show them what they are.
Try to say the Spanish one.
Candies.
They're actually called, what are they called?
Palan.
No, hold on, let me think of the name.
Palanquitas?
Yeah, that's the name. That's sort of the name.
Here, let me read this.
Hold on.
I'll read
No, this is the name.
Pepitoria. Fuck you. Pepitoria de. I want to butcher this on my own, thank you. At least I have an excuse when I don't have somebody telling me how to say this. Pepitoria de cacahuete.
Yeah, Pepitoria de cacahuete.
Fuck you, fuck you.
These are actually, fun fact, my mom's favorite. So they're peanuts.
Shout out to Irene.
Like doused in like caramel, I want to say, and they're like all like stuck together with the caramel, and it's like a little bar of peanuts. So,
fun fact about me, I don't even like sweet things, so this was just not a good challenge in general. I don't like caramel either. I'm a weirdo, so.
I don't know if it's caramel.
Yeah.
It's just like a sort of candy.
My mom likes these. The ones here in America, you get at like, I guess a truck stop or something, and they're like in these little circle patties, and they're red. Is right the same ones?
They're similar, yeah. But I don't know. I've tried those and I don't like them. They were alright.
The Mexican versions aren't as intense as the ones here.
Yeah, these are more peanut too.
And ours is more patty, and it's like
more
really
candy patty.
It's really rich, rich tasting. Yeah.
But yeah, these are good. They're peanut. They're peanut bars.
It's not bad.
Candy bars.
So when she eats these, they gross me out, and I won't try them. These, and these both gross me out. They're
actually the same candy. They're just in different packaging.
I'm blocking her face.
So try to say the bottom.
So
try to say. You're not gonna try them?
Not yet. Okay. Went for something sweet. Now we're gonna go for something sour.
Those you would buy for like 10 cents in Mexican money. That's like 2 pesos. And that was like something that you could eat like just all day.
I'm getting my squishy sour like face already.
Sour. It's, I guess some people like here it's referred to as like
beer salt, maybe.
Yeah, beer salt or lemon salt. I don't know, but it's really good.
Probably wouldn't be good to sniff too hard.
No, I wouldn't do that.
So we'll get a good.
Don't get too
okay. So let me turn this off. I think that's too much light, maybe.
There.
Is that better? I don't know. What's this? Damn. Okay. As you can see, that's a pretty good thing of salt. Okay.
Just, you know. Yeah, kids eat just salt.
Excuse my faces. I will be making some.
That was a lot. You need to do a little bit.
Oh. I have no saliva left in my mouth. Ooh. Yeah, it's good. Can I drink now?
Yeah.
Okay. That was delicious.
It's good, right?
It's so good. Okay. So another candy my wife got was coconut. I'm not a big fan of coconut.
Oh, these are called limoncitos, by the way.
Limon y sal.
Limoncitos. That's what they refer to it.
Oh, here I go ripping stuff apart. Okay. Paritas de coco.
Okay. Yeah, but they're usually called just banderitas, which is little flags because they have the color of the Mexican flag. So yeah, it's really good.
I can feel the salt in my throat still. It's like, it's in there.
These are really good. I tried not getting just a bunch of spicy stuff for you because, you know. And the colors, they don't have different flavors. It all tastes the same.
Here's to you guys. If you guys want to see more of these videos, let us know. Or more Mexican food, Korean food, whatever. We'll order whatever you guys want to see. Yeah.
Is it good?
It's okay. It's literally just coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just coconut packed together with a little bit of like sugar.
Yeah.
It's just not too
I would
intense.
say it's like coconut covered in like a light glaze of sugar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's not bad. You can have the rest.
I know.
She's like, bitch, why do you think I'm here? Okay. Tamarindo. Not bad. Pelon pel rico.
Pelón pelo rico.
Yeah.
It's called.
That's what I said, but like 80 times faster.
Literal translation is bald, hairy, good.
Does not sound like something I would want in the same
So
sentence.
it's like it's supposed to be a little character where you squeeze his hair out. He's bald, so you squeeze his hair out. Ooh, I can't push. You push.
Hey, everybody.
And it's tamarindo.
Everybody at home, enjoy this.
And you're just supposed to eat his hair.
Yum.
It is yum.
Is it? What does it taste like? Like
Tamarindo's a very
I'm
intense taste.
I'm trying to be open-minded, but
It's like sweet and sour, somewhat spicy sometimes.
who knows? I might find my new favorite candy today. I don't know how to feel about this. What's wrong?
I'm just waiting. Come in, please. No? Stop it. Drink some water.
There's a lot in my mouth.
Yeah, you did squeeze out a lot.
There's a lot in my mouth. I don't even know how to describe the texture.
Yeah, it's like sandy gooey.
It would be like some kind of like fruit paper. Almost. It's like a ball of fruit in your mouth and it doesn't dissolve immediately. You have to roll it around. Yeah. Okay. So you said this is the same thing?
Yeah. It's just in a spoon. And then you just walk around. It's like a lollipop attached to a spoon. And it's just, you just suck on it.
So I don't have to try this one?
Not if you don't want to.
Okay.
But it does taste different. These are usually spicier.
Okay, well, we're trying it then. Okay, these are pulparindos. A spoon with some plastic and a rubber band with ooey gooey substance in the inside.
Ooey gooey.
Ooey gooey. Ooey gooey. Ooey gooey.
Like I said, it's usually like, it's the same candy, it's just the ones on the spoon are usually spicier.
These are the smallest spoons I've ever seen in my life.
You gotta show the unpackaging. The unboxing of it all.
I could do this a little bit better just because of the texture. It's much harder. And you can kind of like, I guess you're supposed to just like lick against the spoon. That's kind of how it seems. And yeah. I could do this one a little bit better. It's kind of like a lollipop. The same.
Is it spicier? Is it like saltier more than the?
It's definitely more spicy, and I do absolutely love Mexican food. There's a few things that I won't eat, like mole. I don't think that you should mix chocolate with meat. I just find it incredibly disgusting.
Mole is bomb, bro.
Mole is absolutely disgusting.
No, it's not.
Enchiladas, asado, chile verde, like my top 10 favorite foods are all Mexican. And yeah, so the candy though, man, I don't know what happened. Food, it's 10 out of 10. Candy is about like 2 out of 10 so far. A lot of the desserts really good though. We're gonna move on. We're actually trying to save up for a vlogging camera too, so we can start doing better quality videos like this too. If you guys would like to see that, please let us know. Gaming's always going to be the focus of my channel, but it's fun to mix it up every now and then. Okay. What are these? What are you?
You have to say the name.
Looks like Casper.
Yeah.
Look, got a little bitty.
You didn't say the name.
Oh, wait a minute. It's got like a little cute little ghost right there. Pica gomas.
They're usually called pica fresas.
Pica fresas.
Because they're supposed to be like strawberry flavored.
Okay, I was trying to think of what fresas are.
You have to like leave it in your mouth for a little bit and then bite into it. It's got like a center surprise.
Center surprise. I don't know about that center surprise part. It doesn't smell the best. I keep looking off camera because I'm not used to my camera being here. I'm used to it being here. Okay. This is what it looks like outside. Looks like something my great-grandpa and I used to use as fish bait. And it's also called stink bait, so.
What'd you do?
So, Onyx had to go and do some baby duties, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this bad boy. Gonna hold it in my mouth till she gets back. Ooh. So it's a little salty. I'm holding it in my cheek because, ooh. Okay, it's getting quite a bit salty now. I can't do this one. It's pretty gross. Okay. On that one, I guess maybe a little more tolerable if you bite into it because it's got a little bit of sweetness to it, but these are not my type of candies. That was a little rough. I couldn't do that one.
Did you bite into it?
Yeah, I couldn't. I couldn't do it. That one was pretty gross. So what are your favorite candies?
So you bit into it?
Yeah.
And you didn't like it?
It gets a little bit sweeter, but it's not my favorite, no.
Was it salty?
I will honestly say the wait, do we have any more? Yeah, so we've got this one left. We've got one more left. It's gotten kind of melted, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. But we're going to give it a go anyways.
It's not supposed to be squished and melted. It's supposed to be chocolate.
Looks like a character from Toy Story 4.
I'll tell you once you've eaten it.
Bubba Lubba. It tells me what's in it.
Booba Lubu.
Booba Lubu. Booba Lubu. Ricolino.
What's the brand?
It tells me all the ingredients in English though, so it's kind of like cheating.
So don't look at him. Cheater.
So, I already know I'm not going to like this. And I'll tell you why. And it's probably why she got it for me. I do not like chocolate covered strawberries. So, with that being said, this smells just like chocolate covered strawberries. We're about to bite into this bad boy.
You're insane. I don't know why you don't like chocolate covered strawberries.
It's not that I don't like the taste of it. It's just I like the taste of strawberries better by themselves. So why add chocolate to something I already love more? You know, it just
blah blah blah. So it's chocolate covered marshmallow with like strawberry, I want to say maybe like marmalade.
It's okay.
It's not bad.
4 out of 10 recommend.
I think that's it. You've tried them all?
Ooh. I'm glad. I'll have to say, I enjoy doing this, but at the same time, damn, you know?
Sugar overload.
Yeah, I don't do too well on sugar. I really don't. We'll have to say my favorite ones out of all of these were probably this one, and then
you have to say what it is in Spanish.
The Peporia de Cacahute. And a spoon with stuff on it.
You like the spoon? I'm surprised. And you didn't even want to try it.
I will say that it's probably my second favorite. Only because a lot of these candies you just like shove in your mouth and there's no going back at that point. This one you can like lick off as much as you want and kind of slow it down. All these other ones like this fish ball over here, you pretty much put it in your mouth. It gets salty. It gets salty as hell.
Yeah.
And then you're expected to bite into it, and when you bite into it, it gets a little bit sweeter, but it doesn't taste very good.
Yeah, these are like really salty. And then you just have to like keep licking it until you get to the center, and then the center's like the sweetest.
And Onyx is the kind of person that likes like pickle snow cones, you know?
Salty lizards?
Same thing. Worse actually, because they're sweet and sour in it.
They're delicious.
But yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun. I think we should do another very soon.
I'm sad it's over.
Yeah. If you guys have any suggestions of what you would like us to do in the future, please let us know. Other than this, we'll be playing some horror games in the next few weeks, so, you know, stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
Are you bored?
No. I want to continue doing it.
Continue with candy?
No, recording.
No. Well, maybe we'll record another video. Who knows? But leave a comment in the description. And why do I always say that? Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see more from me and Onyx. Until next time, I'm Grynch.
And I'm Onyx.
And we'll be under our bridge. You almost missed that one.
I know. I was like, oh shit, I gotta get it right.
You do. I mean, this is professional, obviously professional video over here. Bye, guys.